Hi everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. Is your Epson printer not printing in color? This issue comes due to a clogged printhead or outdated printer firmware. In today's video, I'll walk you through 3 different methods to solve the problem. For one-on-one assistance, call us at the displayed number. Otherwise, let's get started. Method 1. Clean printhead. First, go to Printer Display, then scroll to Settings and open it. Under Settings, select Maintenance. Scroll to Head Cleaning and select it. Now, press the Start button to begin printhead cleaning. Once done, select Nozzle Check and press OK. Load a letter or A4 size paper in the rear paper feed. Now, press the Start button to print. Receive the nozzle check result and check if the color lines are not breaking. If you're finding the steps easy to follow, please subscribe to our channel. Now, let's learn how to unclog the printhead on ink cartridges manually. Method 2. Unclog the ink cartridge. Open your printer front cover. Now, wait for the ink cartridge to come into the replacement position. Then, remove the ink cartridges without touching the contact. After that, gently wipe the contacts on the ink cartridges with a dry and lint-free cloth. Once clean, insert the ink cartridges back and close the front cover. If you're facing more issues with the Epson printer, tell us in the comments. Now, let's get to updating the firmware. Method 3. Update firmware. First, open your browser and go to official website of Epson firmware update. Now, scroll down and click the Download it here hyperlink. On the page you have been redirected to, scroll down and click on Download button according to your device's operating system. Save the file on your computer, click the Save button. After downloading, navigate to Downloaded application, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. On the Epson EULA window, read the license agreement and select the Agree option and then click OK. In the Epson software window, select your product. Wait for the Epson software updater to check for software updates. After updates appear in the updater window, check the firmware updater and click on Install Items button. Again, on the Epson EULA window, read the license agreement and select the Agree option, then click OK. Wait for the firmware updater to download. Now, in the Epson firmware updater window, read the instructions and precautions for updating, then click on the Start button. Wait for the firmware update preparations to complete. Once the firmware update is complete, click on Finish and try printing again.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.